how is salt produced more than 3,000 meters above sea level high in the Andes? The answer is the Mara Salt Mines. In the mountains of the Sacred Valley, a natural saltwater spring feeds thousands of pools through a network of small channels. The water flows by gravity and with the help of the sun and wind slowly evaporates until salt crystals begin to form. What makes this place even more special is that the tradition is still alive. Families from Maras and Bichingoto continue to care for and work the pools by hand generation after generation. This is where the famous Mara salt comes from, valued not only for its flavor, but also for its origin and connection to the local community. Want to visit the Mara Salt Mines and discover the story behind this incredible landscape? Experience the Secret Valley in a different way on our VIP tour with Trek Experience.